Hello guys, I wanted to show you a cool project that I've been playing with for the last week using photogrammetry. So what I did is I managed to map out portions of my house using my iPhone and a photogrammetry tool, and then managed to stitch all those photos together into a kind of like semi-realistic but pretty nightmarish view of what my house looks like. So there you can see, walking through to kind of a lounge area, you can kind of get a view outside. There's a few anomalies, like that didn't work out so well, and other issues here, like that should be a door, and this TV, the TV should be there. And then if we move along over here, you can even get into my kitchen. You can see my coffee machine over there. It's a kettle, bit of a plant, but like pretty cool otherwise.